currently priced at just $0.003, LCAI could deliver returns of up to 20,000%, turning a modest $450 investment into $90,000, and doing so well before XRP or Doge achieve their next major moves. In a market where Ripple, XRP, and Dogecoin, Doge, continue to dominate headlines, one new presale token is capturing attention with its explosive potential, Lightchain AI, LCAI. Let's explore what makes Lightchain AI the breakout project to watch and why early investors are flocking to this game-changing token. Why XRP and Dogecoin face growth limitations. XRP and Dogecoin face barriers to growth due to unique obstacles. The current legal dispute between XRP and the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, about its categorization cause regulatory ambiguity which could impact investor interest and slow down adoption rate. Furthermore, the centralized governance of XRP by Ripple Labs PROMPT worries about decentralization, a fundamental concept of cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin, initially created as a meme, has no clear purpose or roadmap for progress which restricts its practical use. The unlimited quantity available and high inflation-driven characteristics can hinder sustained value growth over time. Also, the price instability of Dogecoin, often influenced by trends on social media and endorsements, prompting speculative trading instead of lasting growth. These factors affect the limitations on growth that both cryptocurrencies encounter. How Lightchain AI, LCAI, overcomes these challenges. In contrast to XRP and Dogecoin, Lightchain AI addresses these challenges through its innovative blockchain technology. As a decentralized platform powered by artificial intelligence, AI, LCAI offers a secure, scalable, and transparent ecosystem for data storage, processing, and sharing. Its dual-layer architecture enables efficient handling of big data and complex computations with minimal latency. LCAI also leverages hybrid consensus algorithms that combine the strengths of proof-of-stake, POS, and proof-of-work, POW, approaches, ensuring fair distribution of rewards and efficient validation of transactions. Moreover, LCAI's utility token serves as the native currency for its ecosystem, facilitating seamless transactions and incentivizing network participation. The token also offers staking opportunities for investors to earn passive income. With a clear roadmap for development and partnerships with top AI companies, Lightchain AI is positioned to revolutionize data management and utilization in various industries. How Lightchain AI, LCAI, could flip $450 into $90,000 long before XRP or Doge. Investing in emerging cryptocurrencies like Lightchain AI, LCAI, during their pre-sale phases can offer substantial returns. For instance, purchasing LCAI tokens at $0.003 each with a $450 investment would yield 150,000 tokens. If the token's value appreciates to 60 cents, the investment would be worth $90,000, representing a 200-fold increase. In contrast, established cryptocurrencies like XRP and Dogecoin, Doge, have already experienced significant growth, making similar exponential gains less probable. XRP, for example, is currently trading at approximately $2.56. While investing in presale tokens like LCAI presents opportunities for high returns, it's important to recognize the associated risks. These investments are speculative, and the success of such tokens depends on various factors, including technological development, market adoption, and regulatory environments. Therefore, thorough research and careful consideration are essential before making investment decisions. Lightchain AI is the smart investment for 2025. While Ripple, XRP, and Dogecoin, Doge, remain staples in the crypto world, Lightchain AI, LCAI, is emerging as the most exciting opportunity for investors looking to turn a small investment into life-changing gains. With its pre-sale price at $0.003, early movers are already capitalizing on this opportunity. To secure your position in the Lightchain AI pre-sale and join the future of blockchain innovation, visit Lightchain AI today. The question is, will you catch this wave or watch it pass you by? The choice is yours. Stay ahead of the curve and invest in the future with Lightchain AI. Whether you are a seasoned investor or new to cryptocurrency, don't miss out on this game-changing project that could potentially revolutionize multiple industries. Join the growing community of forward-thinking individuals and be a part of the future today.